Welcome back, Smart RVers, to another Fast Tip Friday with Eric Stark, the host of the Smart Rver Podcast. Today we're going to be talking about RV slide-out awning replacement fabrics. If you want to replace your slide-out awning fabric, this video will not show you how to do it. That's another video. This video is going to help you to understand what to look for in a replacement fabric. In this video, we use Sunpro Manufacturing's high-quality, long-life fabric as our example. Whether you choose Sunpro brand or another brand, you'll know what to look for when purchasing a new slide-out fabric. There are 6 reasons to choose a Sunpro slide-out fabric. They're available in 14 or 18-ounce heavy-duty vinyl made specifically for slide-out awnings. Each fabric arrives ready to be installed. So in other words, the poly cords are welded into it. So we have the bigger poly cord here that goes into the awning rail. We have the smaller poly cord that goes into the roller tube. They're welded into it. They're nice and even on the sides, so you don't have to trim it. So there's no risk of you ruining the fabric. We take that out of it. We make it simple. And with welded poly cords, there's no thread to worry about. They're not going to fall apart on you. These are going to last for many, many years, where thread doesn't always last for many, many years. So here we have an awning rail, and the fabric has the welded poly cord in it. Just slides in and out, no problem. Same thing with the roller tube. This happens to be an A&E roller tube by Dometic. Solera is identical, and the Carefrees are very similar to it, but it's the same principle. And the fabric just slides in there. Nice and easy to do. Will these incredible fabrics fit your slide-out awning? That's an excellent question. They fit all RV slide-out awnings without a flexible metal weather shield. So this happens to be a Solera flexible metal weather shield. Kind of talks to you there. It's very similar to an A&E, and these are mounted on the side of the RV, and the fabric attaches to it. So if you have one of these, it's very obvious. If you don't have one, well, that's pretty obvious too. How many colors do they come in? They come in 2, black or white. Take your pick. And with a 3 or 5 year warranty, you can enjoy your RV worry-free for years to come. And I just remembered, Sunpro Manufacturing has 5-star customer service, and they actually have a telephone number you can call, and guess what? Talk to a human being. Check out in the description below Sunpro Manufacturing's website link for more information. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.